Hey guys, Jarrett, the occupational therapist here, and I got this product to review, and this REHAND cane is amazing. This is a portable cane that you can take around with you, and it's a three-pronged cane that can allow you to have a seat on the ground. It's really ergonomic, and the handle is really comfortable to hold on to. It's not too hard and does give comfort. It does have a little hook here that you can hang up on the wall, so you can have some easy storage, and it's really easy to adjust the height just by pressing the button right there on the side. Now what you need to do is just to unscrew the ring so that way you can adjust the cane up and down just by pushing that button and pushing up and down on the cane. Now the point on the cane, that can actually come off because it does wear down with use. However, it doesn't wear down that frequently. Each one of the 3 points on there can be replaced with another rubber point. But it felt really good to walk with this. It felt like a normal cane, but just with the added advantage of having a seat. So now with this, you could use this while going hiking. You could use it while going up and down stairs. And if you need to take a quick seat, you could just by, once again, popping down the seat just by pushing down. And then by pushing it back up in the other direction, you'll be able to put the seat away. I really like this cane a lot. I think it has a lot of advantages. So that way, if you need to conserve your energy, you can just by taking a seat on the actual cane itself. So kind of like a cross between a cane and a walker with having the benefit of having the seat there. So I would definitely say check this out. It's a great tool to have, and I would definitely say check this out.